Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a VR, and this VR is for Maria. Here on YouTube, she is Scrabooknut 2002, and this is her second annual Subby Challenge giveaway, and it is due the 31st of March. So all she's requesting from you guys is basically a set of 4. It could be either flowers, rosettes, or bows. It could be from paper to material. So she kind of mentioned that she prefers a little bit more in the pink teal colors. So but anything was okay. Anyway, so let me go ahead and show you what I created for her. So these are not a set of 4. I only had 3 made, so I'm just gonna go ahead and send them to her. It doesn't matter if this is doesn't go in as part of the entry, but I thought they were so cute. These were extras I had, so I'm gonna go ahead and send them to her because I know she would love them. Anyways, and here is one for my entry, and here are the colors that she likes, and she said they could either be plain or embellished, so I went ahead and sending her these plain, and then I did make some embellished ones. So this is what they look like. Okay, so basically I used some of my scraps and did some layering, and there you go. So this is what I am going to be sending her. Hopefully she likes what I sent her, and I will link her channel down in the description below so you guys can go over and check out her channel. So thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.